Okay, guys, gonna try a new thing on the channel. During the winter, as you guys saw if you watched the last video, I usually do a winter startup every once in a while. It's actually been every couple of weeks. But I think what I'm gonna do is every week on Sunday, I'm gonna give you Cold Start Sunday. Here we go. Okay, guys, that is the external fuel pump that you're hearing right there, and I am going to place you right there to give you the back end. Move around while we let the carburetor and the choke do its thing. Okay guys, I had a quick thought that if at all the car started to slide as I had the front end inside the garage, that she might slide out and hit the side. So to make sure we're going to lose traction, we put some plywood down. That's it, guys. She is in the direction we want her for next week's Cold Start Sunday. Boston Joe out.